Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. In its project description, your friend Julia is a server at a restaurant. She downloaded data for her customer food and beverage purchase for the week. You will complete the workbook by applying consistent format across the worksheet and finalizing the weekly summary. The restaurant requires tip sharing and you calculate how much he will share the beverage worker and the assistant. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 9 Cumulative Assessment Variation Tips. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. The Excel workbook contains a circular references. When you open an error message display, the error message will be resolved as a part of this project. When I open this, an error message display and I press OK, so it's open now. So we will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Cengage courses, Pearson courses, or Pearson Plus courses, Canvas courses, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. We will move to our second step. Our second step is the tip left column in the contain fill color and number formatting. You want to fill these format to the other daily worksheets. Group the Friday to Monday worksheet. So we will go to the Excel. We will group this one, these worksheets, Monday to Friday worksheets. So here we have a fill color in the tip left. Fill the format only from the range E5 to E24. So we will go in the hint. The home tab contains the fill option. So we will go to the E5 to E24. What is saying? The tip left column in the Friday worksheet contain a fill color and a number formatting. You want to fill these format to all other worksheet. Group the Friday through Monday worksheet. Starting the Friday worksheet, fill the format only for the range E5 to E24. So we'll go to the across the worksheet. So we will select format and press OK. Now format is filled on from Friday to Monday worksheets. That's our second step. Our third step is now you want to insert a column total for the 5 worksheets simultaneously with the worksheet still grouped. Insert the sum function in the range B25 to E25 and apply the total cell style and ungroup the worksheet. So we will select the B25 to E25. That is our cell B25 to E25. We need to apply the sum function. So we applied the sum function here downside. It's applied. Ungroup the worksheets and apply the total cell style. So we need to apply the total cell style here in this. We will go to the cell style and apply total cell style. Ungroup the worksheets. So we need to ungroup the worksheets. Here we will ungroup the worksheets. That's our third step. Our fourth step is the week worksheet is designed to be a summary worksheet. You want to insert a hyperlink to the total heading to the Monday worksheet on the worksheet. We on the week worksheet. So we will go to the week worksheet. That is our week worksheet. What he is saying? Insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Monday worksheet with the screen tip text Monday totals. So we will go to the cell A25. In the cell A5 we need to insert a hyperlink. We will go to the hyperlink link. We need to enter a hyperlink in the cell in the Monday worksheet, cell A25, and with the screen tip Monday totals and press OK. And here also we will press OK. We have got the results. Test the hyperlink to ensure that it works correctly. So we will test this one to go to that it will take us. You see, this take us to Monday worksheet totals here. So it's working. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is in the cell A6 on the week worksheet. So we will go to the A6 in the week worksheet. That is our cell A6 in the week worksheet. Insert hyperlink to the cell A25 in the Tuesday worksheet with the screen tip Tuesday totals. So we will copy this and we will go to the insert link, and here we will select the Tuesday worksheet cell A25 and screen tip Tuesday totals and press OK. Then press OK. We have got the results and we have put hyperlink here. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is in the cell A7 insert a hyperlink to the cell A25 in the Wednesday worksheet with the screen tip text Wednesday totals. So we will copy this and we will select this one. We will select the Wednesday worksheet cell A25 and screen tip Wednesday total. That's our sixth step. We have 7, 8 same steps. I will do these steps combined. So you see, we will go to the Thursday worksheet. We will go to the links. We will go to the Thursday, select Thursday sheet and cell A25 with the screen tip Thursday total. We will copy and paste it in the screen tip and press OK, and then press OK. And for the Friday we will do the same. We will select the Friday worksheets cell A25 and with the screen tips Friday totals and press OK. And we need to test the Friday. This one you see, they got us the totals of the Friday worksheet. So that's our eighth step. We have total 27 steps of this assignments. I have done 8 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, so I will get you soon. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates.